I bet you've read a lot of great reviews about ZCode and are wondering what's inside. How does this thing actually work and help you win money on sports? I am sure you will be amazed by the precision of ZCode predictions and picks and the quality of the members area. So, let's check out what's inside. When you first join, you will go directly to the overview page with Ron's welcome message video and important links to the qualified bookies, video tutorials, and the quick start guide that will help you get started right away. The main section of the members area is called VIP Picks. That is where you receive your daily predictions and picks. This is a real treasure for any sports investor. Here you can find fully automatic sports picks with 100% transparent performance since 1999. No guesswork. Easy to use even if you have no clue about sports. Copy, paste, winners. Each prediction is perfectly designed for easy information access. You can get all the information you need about the game at your fingertips. The chances for teams to win the game. The predictions for totals and point spreads. The hot trends for the game. The stars and statuses, bookie odds, injuries, and hot player stats. Power ranks and streaks. Everything in one place. You can easily find out which game qualified by the hot trends and get the hourly update for the game until it is finally fixed 3 hours before the game. But most importantly, you can read our expert comments and Facebook-style game discussion, where our members and experts share game opinions and updates in real time. This is the community of winner experts that do win in sports and have been for years. You are not alone. You are amongst people who make their living by betting sports professionally. Amazing stuff here, guys. We really tried to perfect it and thought of every single detail. The next section is called Hot Trends, where you can get easy access and get links of the current winning systems that you will be following. We have selected the best verified systems for you to follow and update links each month with the fresh sports as we go through different seasons together. Each hot system is explained in detail on the members forum, so you won't have any problem following. ZCode supports all kinds of sports all year round, from traditional baseball, basketball, hockey, and football, to great undercover systems like horse racing, soccer, and even college sports. The next part is called Power Rankings, where you can get daily updated power ranks for different sports. Find out which teams are surging, which teams are slumping, and their statuses and streaks as well. The next section is called Video Tutorials, where we have prepared easy-to-use step-by-step video tutorials for you that will take you by the hand and explain everything, even if you have no clue about sports and the system. The next section is Bookmakers, where we talk about different bookies we use, which bet types are supported, and what bookies are recommended. The best part is that you don't need many accounts. Just one account with a trusted bookie is more than enough. The next section is Bonuses, where we collected different nice little extra tools and systems that will help you succeed. Let's keep it as a surprise for now. I promise, you'll love it. The last, but not least, is the private forum, which is a gem of sports investing knowledge where our members and experts exchange their experience, tips, and discuss the hot trends and winning settings. We encourage you to participate in the forum and contribute with your ideas. Each season, you will be following expert selections of our human cappers who help you and give you exact plays they do, so you can look over their shoulders and copy-paste their success. These guys make a living by betting on sports. It's no more gambling than you do it professionally. That's why we call it sports investing. The final tab is called Support, where you can get access to our friendly support team. In case you have a question, we are always here for you. So, here is your action plan. Step 1. Join the private club. Step 2. Get your account ready with the recommended bookie. Step 3. Follow the easy expert systems on sports you like. Step 4. Profit. Easy. And we've done it for over 12 years now. So, what are you waiting for? Now it's time for you to take action. Join the group, and I will see you on the other side.